Hi guys, it's your girl Aita Krasi of Terasi Specials. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to make jollof rice with your leftover stew. Sometimes you just want to go through the process of blending tomatoes and you have this leftover stew that you've not and there's no meat inside or something, so you decide to freestyle it and make jollof rice. So that's what I'll be showing you today. So stay with me and kindly subscribe, like, share and drop a comment in the comment box. Let me know if this video is helpful. Thank you. So this is the granite oil we used in frying the chicken. I'm going to be using some of it for the jollof rice. This is the meat stock. I'm going to be using this meat stock for the jollof rice. We have the curry, the thyme, and the leftover stew. We have ginger garlic mix. We have pepper, onion, seasoning cubes, salt, and our rice. So let's get cooking. I started by adding the granite oil I showed you guys earlier. Just add that to the pot because that's the quantity I'm going to use to cook this rice. So after that, the oil was already hot, so I didn't have to wait long. I added the onions and I'm going to give that a good stir and allow it to fry for a bit. I love it because it gives my rice a very nice flavor. Then I added the ginger and garlic mix. I love to fry my ginger and garlic mix with the oil. It gives my rice an amazing and unique flavor. You can add it anytime you want, but this is when I love to add my ginger and garlic. Then I threw in some bay leaf and gave it a good mix. Then I added the leftover stew. Yes, and I stirred that. Added the curry, the thyme, and the blended pepper. Then I gave it a good stir. Stir it very well. Then close the pot. Allow it to fry for a bit until your sauce is dried. This is what it looks like when it's dried. That's the consistency you need to start your jollof rice process. Now I'm going to pour in my parboiled white rice. This is the Nigerian rice, yes. I had to pour in my parboiled rice, give it a good stir, mix it very well. You want every part of the rice to have the sauce in it, yes. Then I'll pour in the meat stock. This is the only liquid I'm putting in this cooking, the meat stock. Then I added seasoning cubes and salt, mixed it and closed the pot. Once the rice is almost done, just go in there to stir it a bit. You don't want some part of your rice to be hard and some parts to be soft. So that's why you need to stir it while there's still a little bit of water in the rice. So I stirred that and yeah, give it a good stir. And this time around I covered it with a foil paper. I'm supposed to add butter, but then the oil from the chicken was enough. I didn't want it to be too oily. Then yeah, this is the rice almost done, but then I want a smoky jollof rice, so I'm going to stir that, then create a hole in the middle. Yeah, that's one of the tricks I use in always in making smoky jollof rice. Create a hole in the middle, just close it without the foil paper and allow it to burn. Yeah, you heard that right. Now this is what it will look like when it's done. And just dish it and serve yourself. Because I am also serving myself. Yes. I cannot wait to devour this food. When I made this food, I was very, very hungry and broke at the same time. So I just had to use what I have in the house to create this amazing delicacy. So you can always use your leftover stew and just do your thing. Yes, you don't have to start the whole process from the beginning. And yeah, I'm enjoying my food. I hope you've enjoyed this video with me. Kindly subscribe, like, share, drop a comment. Let me know if this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.